Hey crew, Captain Clam here, back with another YouTube video, this time on Starbucks. I'm here to give you the inside knowledge that you need to get hired on the spot, or at least maybe get hired. You want to work at Starbucks? Well, stick around with me, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll show you how you could be making a latte money. We're not doing puns, guys. Now, I know Starbucks sounds like the dream job, but believe me, it has its pros and cons. I've been a barista for 3 or 4 years, something like that. And I'm here to tell you, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Whether it's Karen coming in for iced triple soy macchiato that's always made wrong no matter how right you make it, or homeless people coming in to bombard you with their smelliness. It ain't easy. But it's definitely worth it. Are you 16 years of age? Well then guess what? You're in luck. You can work at Starbucks. But you're going to need to put an application in online. You don't know how many people come in store and ask me,
"Do you have an application? I'd love to work at this establishment."
I don't. You need to go online and put an application in online. And don't have your parents come in either. That's a weird thing to do. Why would I give you a job if your parent is asking for you? Show some initiative. Go online, put in an application. Now, you're going to want to put in an application to every single store in your city, or at least every store you're willing to drive to, because that will boost your chances on getting hired, because the objective is to get your foot in the door. Once you get hired, you can transfer to any store that you want to. Believe me, Starbucks is everywhere. Once you've put your application in online, now I'd recommend going into a couple stores that you applied to and trying to have a face-to-face with the store manager. You can simply just ask for the manager and introduce yourself, but you have to be careful not to harass them. So many people come inside the store and say, "Oh, I've put in an application." They call every day. And it's just annoying. You want to come in just enough so they know your name and face. That way, when it comes time for them to hire, they can put 2 and 2 together and they kind of sort of have a little bit of a rapport about you, just so they're not going off of a name on an application. So, you landed the interview. Congratulations! Now we get to the fun part. Let me give you some tips on how you can ace this interview. They're going to ask you standard interview questions. You can go onto YouTube and watch videos for practice interviews. This will help you immensely. But more importantly, they're looking for your personality. Starbucks is a people business that just so happens to sell coffee. So if you can't sell yourself as a person, why would they want to hire you? And it's okay to be shy. I was shy at first, but I have no problem connecting with another person and having a conversation. Maybe try to bring up some of your interests or hobbies. It's more so about connecting as a person than it is showing off your skills. And please, for the love of God, dress up. I've seen people come in for interviews wearing flip-flops, AirPods in their ears, holes in their shirts. Just put on a proper shirt and pants, look decent, do your hair, brush your teeth. I can't believe I have to say this, but I do. Look decent, act like you want the job, and you'll probably get the job. Let's talk benefits. Starbucks has them. They're good. Free coffee. Can you say it in the back? Free coffee. Yes, free coffee. That's probably the best reason to work at Starbucks. Coffee addicts out there. Besides free coffee, you also get a free food item while you're on the clock, so there's no need to bring a lunch. They'll feed you. And you also get 30% off while you're off the clock, so all your friends and family can come in and harass you about your 30% discount. You also get these 1-pound bags of coffee for free. These are worth like $14 each. It's amazing. You get one of those a week. So believe me, I'm stocked up on coffee. I give all my friends and family coffee because I don't drink it because remember, we get free coffee on the clock. So Great perk. Do you like listening to music? Well, guess what? Starbucks is going to give you a free Spotify premium subscription. So if you have iTunes, you could just throw that out the window. No, seriously. In the comments below, comment whether you like iTunes or Spotify better. We all know Spotify's the winner though, come on. Let's get into the financial aspect of your benefits. You get a 5% 401k match. That's free money for retirement. I know it sounds boring, but I'll take a free 5% any day. Not to mention, the company also offers an employee stock buying program, which allows you to buy company stock at a discount. But wait, Starbucks also gives each employee free stock every year. That's why they call us partners, because we hold stock in the company. So you're going to get free stock every year you work at Starbucks, which will just compound over the years and you'll be a billionaire in no time because, you know, stocks only go up. Joking aside, Starbucks also offers Arizona State University for free. So as long as you maintain 24 hours, or 20, it's one of the two, you will be reimbursed for your admission at Arizona State University. So you could earn money and earn a degree all at the same time. That alone makes Starbucks the best entry-level job you can get, hands down. There's no question about it. Those benefits are absolutely amazing. You could work for Starbucks for a couple of years, go to school for free, and then quit with a degree. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Amazing. Did I say amazing? I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you got some knowledge out of it as well. If this could help you get hired at Starbucks, then I've done my job. But if you guys have any questions, please comment down below and I'll get back to you with more tips and tricks on how to get hired if you have anything specific in mind. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And if you found any value in this video, please consider sharing it. We'll see you guys later. Captain Clam out.